Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy learning management systems with Moodle, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary materials and resources for the deployment of your Moodle learning management system. Ensure you have a reliable web server environment set up for hosting Moodle. Choose between using a local server for testing or a cloud-based solution for a live deployment. Download the latest version of Moodle from the official Moodle website. Once downloaded, extract the Moodle package to your desired directory on the server. Set up the database for Moodle by creating a new database in your database management system. Take note of your database name, username, and password for later use. Configure the Moodle config.php file with the database details and server settings. Ensure PHP and required extensions are installed and meet the version requirements specified by Moodle. Adjust the server settings as needed to support Moodle's performance and security requirements. Upload the Moodle files to your web server through your chosen method, such as FTP or SSH. Visit your Moodle URL in a web browser to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to configure Moodle, including choosing the language and database settings. Create an admin account with a secure password for managing your Moodle site. Once installation is complete, familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available features. Begin setting up courses by navigating to the Course Administration section. Add course content by using the Activities and Resources options, including quizzes, assignments, and forums. Utilize the User Management feature to enroll students or allow self-enrollment. Explore additional plugins and themes to enhance the functionality and appearance of your Moodle site. Adjust settings to customize notifications, grades, and user roles according to your institution's requirements. Test the platform with a group of users to gather feedback and make necessary adjustments. Monitor performance and user engagement regularly to ensure a smooth learning experience. With these steps completed, your Moodle learning management system should be ready for full deployment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.